Hello and welcome to EnglIshShady. You will learn how to learn English with Mr.Shady. Many of us, as beginners, want to speak English. Today, we will explain 20 expressions that you must know if you want to speak English well. Let's do it.
Yeah.
Welcome back. The most important 20 expressions for beginners to learn. What is your name? What's your name? What is your job? What's your job? What is your address? What's your address? What is your telephone number? What's your telephone number? Where is your office? Where is your office? Where are you staying? Where are you staying? Where are you from? Where are you from? Who is that man? Who's that man? What is that? What is that? Why not? Why not? How are you? How are you? How old are you? How old are you? Do you speak English? Do you speak English? Do you understand me? Do you understand me? Can you help me? Can you help me? Could you speak slower, please? Could you speak slower, please? Thank you. Thank you. Excuse me. Excuse me. Say it again, please. Say it again, please. I understand, but I have no idea. I understand, but I have no idea. Please subscribe to follow all of my videos. Send me comments if you need to ask about anything related to English. I'm Mr. Shady from EnglIshShady. Thanks for following. See you soon on the next video. Bye bye.